Zain Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Zain's plans and services are in the description. Zain is a major telecom provider in the Middle East and North Africa, offering prepaid and postpaid mobile plans, internet services, and business solutions. It's designed for individuals, businesses, and travelers needing reliable connectivity. Coverage is strong in urban areas, with 4G and expanding 5G networks, but rural coverage can be inconsistent. Speeds are competitive, with 5G reaching over 1 GB per second in supported areas. Call quality is generally clear, and international roaming is available but varies in cost depending on the destination. Pricing is mid-range, affordable for basic users, but heavy data plans can get expensive. Customer service is decent, with online support, apps, and physical stores, though response times can be slow in some regions. The Zain app allows easy balance checks, bill payments, and add-ons. Promotions and loyalty programs provide extra value, especially for long-term users. Downsides? Rural coverage gaps, occasional network congestion, and inconsistent customer service experiences. If you need fast speeds in major cities and solid call quality, Zain is a good choice. However, check local coverage and pricing before committing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.